Hey and welcome to Alpha One. This Saturday morning we are going to continue of building up our small account. We started with $100 and we are now getting closer and closer to $1,000. That is basically our target. Because $1,000 we can consider a reasonable big account. So you can also use this robot you will see in this video. Just use the link you see up there right now, or just use the link you find below the video. Also below the video you'll find a promo code to give you 200% on your first deposit. So make your first deposit count. Also, if you like this type of video, help me out. Click that like button, subscribe to my channel, and if you have any question at all, put them below the video. Also below the video you'll find a link to my free Forex Telegram channel. So if you have any interest about that, check it out. But now let's start up Alpha One iBot. And there we have it. This Saturday morning we have run Alpha One iBot, and you see our balance are now at $850. So we built from $100 and now we are soon at 1,000. 1,000 is our target, so let's see how we do. But I'm super happy, the robot is doing good. You can use this robot also, link below the video. So with that, have an amazing day.